Hello, precious family. This is the day the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Today we're making Ofam. Ofam is made with ripe plantain or yellow plantain. Ofam tastes so good. I've been eating Ofam since I was a child. Till now, I still enjoy Ofam. So, let's make Ofam. Look what I have here. Hey, look at it. Plantains, bananas, they all mixed together. So this is what I do. When I buy the yellow plantains and I don't use it and it becomes soft to overripe, yeah, then I just put it in the freezer. I don't throw it away. Don't throw it away. You wash it, peel it, and put it in the freezer. Anytime you are ready or you feel like enjoying some kakulo and I say Ofam, you just say boom. So don't waste your plantains and ripe ones and mama wasting no cry. I'm going to chop them and blend it with the yellow plantain and the bananas. Okay, I blend the first batch. Let me show you something. You see how juicy it is? Look at it. It's gonna taste so good. Oh man, if you leave your banana to ripe, overripe. Okay, so I butter my pans. This is Tom Brown. Tom Brown is corn, roasted corn. Then that is blend. Okay, so if you want your Ofam to be thick, then you add more of the powder, and if you want it light, you check your powder. Just so to my mekanasa. Yeah, Tom Brown into Tom Brown. Obey anything with a fry, open it, say more any heavy, like any thicker, and I'll open it soft and so on. Need not depending on you. Measurement in Bibiano, it's like sending open the door, not you. Adding salt and what I've seen, I realized about this ripe plantain is it doesn't need a lot of salt. Okay, so when adding the salt, you have to taste it, and I'm adding all-purpose flour too. And if you don't have Tom Brown, you can add Ghana. Well, time I near what Ghana if you are the more fry. So you can add condo. Yeah. I'm adding the palm oil. You mix it. Okay, so this is it. The palm oil, you can leave it like this, or you can add a little bit more. So I'm adding a little bit more because it adds taste to it. So I'm done now. I'm going to put it in the pan, but I put parchment paper in this one. This pan, sometimes it's hard to let it come out when you finish baking. to get it out from the pan. So I'm just see how it will go. And guys, I want to introduce you to this amazing hair and body product.
So the name of the company is Send Hair Face Body. It's an online Etsy shop, and we sell organic hair oil, hair mist, and body butters. And the link for the Etsy shop, it's Zen Co. It just means Zen Company.
And you mix it like this, and maybe you need pepper. The pepper is not enough. You can always add powdered pepper to it. And some people to mix this like this with peanut butter. Yeah, but I like it plain, and then I'll add the peanut to it, right? Yeah. And also you can use rice flour. Ready for the oven. I put fresh peanuts in here. I'm telling you, the kitchen is smelling so delicious. The aroma, you smell the spices, the ginger, the onion. Onion plus what? Plus the palm oil. Oh, I'm telling you. The Ofam is ready. Yay. This whole, don't worry, because I put the steak there to see if it's well cooked. So if you put the steak in whilst it's in the oven and the steak comes out dry, that means it's ready. And also the edges, you see the edges? Yeah, the edges says I'm ready. You see that? Okay, so those two signs can tell you that your Ofam is ready. And this kitchen is smelling so delicious. The onion, the spices, oh, please try. Okay, so Ofam tastes good when it's more days. Okay, we got in our Ofam. See. So softy. Okay. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Stay blessed. Bye.